3 a.m. mission snack. And the whole house knows. Let's fix that door forever. Meet the villain. Not a ghost, just 2 pieces of metal grinding in the dark. Today, the war ends. Quick science. The steel pin rubs the hinge. Dust and rust move in. Congrats! Your door is now a violin. Your heroes? Silicone spray, white lithium grease, or plain household oil. Anyone works. Cost? Pocket change. A few drops on top of each hinge. That's it. It needs a drink, not a bath. Now swing it 10 times. That pulls the oil deep into the joint. Wipe the extra, done. Plot twist. The famous blue can? It's a cleaner, not a true lubricant. The squeak always sneaks back. Want it gone for good? We pull the pin. Close the door first, so it doesn't fall on you. Trust me. Nail under the pin. Tap it upward. 1 hinge at a time. The door stays standing. Easy. Ew, see that gunk? That's your squeak. Wipe it clean. Rusty? Steel wool erases it. Grease the pin. Slide it home. Tap. That hinge just went quiet for years. Nothing at home? Rub the pin with bar soap or petroleum jelly. Weirdly effective, but skip the olive oil. Cooking oils turn sticky, grab dust, and go rancid. Your door will smell. Still squeaky? Loose screws make doors sag and strain. Tighten every screw. Posture? Fixed. 3 a.m. Mission. Snack. Nothing. Total silence. Mission complete. Subscribe for more fixes that actually work.